Alrighty, good afternoon. Did that again with my hands. Good afternoon. Yeah, I just noticed that I do some things. You know, when you start recording yourself, you start seeing your little habits that you never knew you had. This is mine. Yeah, so welcome to this video. This is well, this serves as a part 2 on the luxury wish list videos, and the first one was the items that we actually managed to get. This is the dream one, the one we're still dreaming of these items and they haven't come, we haven't seen, or they're just far too expensive. Yeah, so this is items on my luxury wish list. So they're all shoes. Tell me who was surprised. Who was surprised? Oh yeah, all shoes. Yeah, with bags I tend to just see it and then if I like it I get it. Oh, actually I do like a Chloe bag, like one of those tiny, anyway. If I find it, I'll sort of put it in right here now. Yeah, I just think it's really beautiful, that size. Yeah, so maybe there you go. I probably won't get it. It'll probably be too expensive for me, but anyway, yeah, maybe one bag in this video. So let's get started with the first one. I obviously don't have the shoes, so I'll try and put, like, I did again. Yeah, I'll try and put a video or a representation of that item wherever on the screen that you see. Yeah, so the first shoe that I will talk about is the one, gosh, this shoe. This is the Christian Louboutin Pigalle Plateau, and it is in the what is this called? I wrote it down somewhere. Okay, can't remember. It's like the orangey, purpley potpourri. That's what it's called. This shoe is bloody expensive, because it is full of Swarovskis, full of spikes and things like that, and it is not shy. This is the shoe of dreams, and oh gosh, Soraya, I don't know her last name. It's like Dare something, so I don't want to mess it up, but I'll just say Soraya and I'll try and link her in. This lovely lady who's so good with fashion, understands everything about fashion, if I can say so. She did like essential shoes in your wardrobe, and she did these as like the surprise shoe of, you know, that shoe, that awesome fire shoe, the one that just makes you feel special, that special shoe. And this was like one of her examples, and my gosh, if I see this shoe and I have the money, because I don't, but yeah, let me start saving. How about that? Because we gotta actually make things happen. We can't just wish them and for them to be there. So let me start saving up for this shoe because it is ridiculously expensive. Absolutely love. And if I had to choose one item out of all of these on the luxury wish list, this would be it. Honestly, this would be it. So if you see this shoe in a size 39 or size 39.5 anywhere, please let me know. Yeah, and if you want to pay for it, that would be great too. Yeah. Just kidding. Yeah, love. Okay, next shoe is actually not well, I think it is designer, but I think it's very low end. This is a Kurt Geiger Carvela holographic pump. Absolutely love this shoe. I actually held it in my hands one time in David Jones, and then I was just looking at it, I was like, wow, I love this. But at the time, obviously, I wasn't prepared to pay because we're just passing through. And then I kept thinking of it. This was like, 4 or 5 years ago. And yeah, I keep, like, I see a size 6 or a size 5 being sold, and I'm like, no, please, an 8.5, 39, whatever. If that one is there, that'll be fantastic. So I've been looking for this shoe for ages. Absolutely love. It's cheaper. I love the shoe. I guess it doesn't matter what brand it's from. I just love the shoe and I want it. I really want it. Yeah, this whole video is just things I want, isn't it? But yeah, let's make it happen. Yeah. Okay, next shoe is a little bit vague because I couldn't quite decide. So this is actually the Casadei blade. Now we already have Casadei blades in our collection, but the one I want is in like Swarovski crystals. I'm into crystals and sparkles right now, so yeah, Swarovski crystal. The one I've seen on the Real that I can at least show you is this like pink based, beautiful, stunning heels. And yeah, those are the example I can give. If I see those, or if I see another Swarovski crystal blade, I'm gonna get it. If I can. Did I just turn? I'm gonna get it. Yeah, if I see it, I will. Yeah, so that's the other shoe. Yeah, Casadei blade in a Swarovski crystal situation. Absolutely love the blade heel, and it's relatively comfortable for how ridiculously high it is. It's a 120 heel if I'm not mistaken, with a little tiny hidden platform at the front, so it's more, I'd say it's more 115-ish, but it's high. So you gotta definitely practice, but yeah, looks good, looks really good. Okay, the next shoe is another Christian Louboutin heel. This is an old one, I think 20, let's say 14 or something like that, and it's pretty much a simple pump except for the print or the embellishments on it, let's say. So this is the Davidas pump. Now I've seen the black and the red initially. Oh, I can holler at, why am I going blank? Elena something, okay, I'm remembering first names. There's another YouTuber, Elena, that she has this shoe. She has it in red and she calls it her mariachi shoes. Love that. Yeah, so she has these shoes and I absolutely love them. Now I showed my sister the black and the red and she actually prefers the black, so I don't have a problem with that. If I see the black, I'll get it. Because I'm like, most of our shoes we share, so I kind of try and consider her, and if it doesn't bother me at all, because I couldn't decide between the red and the black, if she has a preference, then I'll try and get that one. So we're both happy. Yeah, so that's the one. I guess that's on the list, but if I also do see the red, I might get it too. Okay, the next shoe that we don't have, and actually this is my fault, but I don't know, I couldn't have seen it going another way. These are the Attico orange crystal Venus pumps with a little ankle strap. My gosh, this shoe I think I saw on Farfetch. I think it's Farfetch, and they were just a little bit too expensive for my liking. And if you know me, I don't tend to buy designer or luxury shoes, like, what's the right word, full price? Definitely not full price, but fresh. I tend to buy them pre-loved, so the opposite of that. I just can't think of it right now. New. Fresh. Yeah, I don't tend to buy new shoes really if they're designer or pre-loved, but I do get them. When I do get them pre-loved, most of them are pretty brand new because they might have just been the wrong size for somebody, so they will still be in excellent condition. So anyway, I saw these and I was like, oh, you know, they would be worth it, but right now I'm not quite there, so I left them, and then they were sold out. Forever sold out, it turns out to be. So very, very, very gutted I missed out on these, and I'm still so upset. I could have actually gotten these. Absolutely love them. And oh, I can holler out another YouTuber, and this girl is amazing. This lovely lady, she's incredible. If you know Cassie Thorpe, Cassie has these shoes, and every time she does her videos and I can see them behind her, I'm just like, I could have had you. Yeah, so Cassie has these, Cassandra, and she's incredible, and I think she also loves those shoes anyway. Yeah, those shoes, incredible. If you see them anywhere else in a size 39, please let me know. Even 39.5, I'll work with that. Yeah, please let me know, because I regret so much not getting those shoes. But yeah, love them, love them, love them. Please, please, if you can hear me, shoes, find a way. Let me find a way to come to me. Okay, that's my only plea. Just, I will love you forever. Okay, so moving on. So dramatic, so dramatic, don't mind me. Yeah, so moving on to the next shoe. This is actually, I referenced it in the other video, the ones where we have the luxury items. Yeah, this is a Doc Marten, and it is the Jadon High in Rainbow. So I have the Jadon, so this one is a higher up, sort of mid-calf level, and it's like a black patent but rainbow oil spill. My gosh, it's different enough that I feel like I can justify having both of these. But yeah, that shoe is so elusive, it's ridiculous. Absolutely would love to have them, and hunting for them, and I think my sister's also looking for them as well, so whoever gets to them first, that'll be great. Yeah, love those, and I know they'll be comfortable. They're Doc Martens. yeah, I love the oil spill holographic sparkle situation. Just all of it, whatever in there, tick tick tick, it's all in there. Love it all, except for sequins. Can I just say that I love glitter now? Depends on the glitter. I love glitter. I love crystals. You know I love crystals. But yeah, I've never been a fan of sequins. Interesting. Anyway, now the next shoe is a double up, so it's an either or, and I've decided for myself that it's either or. I don't know why I've put these together. I think just because they're both Christian Louboutin and platform, and very high. So it's either the black, what's it called, daffodils with spikes on them, not just the plain daffodils but with spikes on them. And I've wanted these shoes for years and years and years, and gosh, there's another YouTuber that I know has these shoes, Laurent. My gosh, the memory that I have to pull out all these names of people who have all these shoes. Wow, I'm good. Or I spend too much time on YouTube watching people with their shoes. Anyway, so yeah, the daffodil spikes in black, or the lady peeps in Swarovski, whatever Swarovski it is, whatever color shade it is. Yeah, so I've kind of gone similar vibes, platform, super high, super ridiculous. So I've kind of gone either one that I can get. I've seen more of the black spikes in other sizes, and I've definitely seen the lady peep in Swarovski in a size 39 and size 39.5, and my gosh, they were just too expensive. So that's the thing, I think it is too expensive. So if there's other things around, I'll keep looking and hunting down for maybe something at a better price, and I'll let you know. Yeah, whichever one I get, I'm trying to be reasonable and not just try and get everything. I suppose if it's on your wish list, it doesn't, no, it means you want it. I was gonna be like, oh, you know, it's just things that you admire that you wouldn't mind having. No, it's things you want. Yeah. So both of them are on there, so if I do manage to get both of them, that's even better. But I'm happy to settle for either one. So that's that one. The next shoe on the luxury wish list is actually, is this a wedge? It's the, I don't know how it's classified, but it's the Saint Laurent Appelle, I think it's Appelle Moi. I don't know how to say anything in French or with a French accent, but yeah, Appelle Moi pump wedge thingies that have the missing back of the heel. I just think these are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I know I have the YSL logo pumps, but they're different. Yeah, they're different. I just think those are stunning, and I love the architectural side of things, the missing heel, missing parts. Yeah, love them. If I see them, I will get them if I have the money. Why does everything in life need money? Anyway. Now the last shoe I put in just because I think they're just absolute art, but I can't afford these shoes to save my life. So they're actually available right now on Vestiaire Collective in a size 39, and these are the Dolce Gabbana cage flower heels. My gosh, these shoes are on my Pinterest, okay? These shoes are like, they're just pure art, and I absolutely love them now. They are going for $3,000. I ain't gonna work for a month to try and get those shoes. Okay, no. So yeah, those are just dreams, stuff of dreams. Yeah, but if you know what, I'm putting it out there, if anyone wants me to get those shoes or wants to get those shoes for me, I'll be great. Just holler at me, size 39. It's on Vestiaire Collective, Dolce Gabbana flower cage heels. Thank you. Yeah, anyway, I love those shoes. I don't think I'm actually ever gonna have the opportunity to get them in my lifetime, but it's on my wish list. If I could, if I win $1 million, then yeah, I'll get them straight away. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, it's just me, lots of talking with me, but yeah, anyway, good to interact with you guys when I can, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the videos. Yeah, peace, see you next time.